In this video, I'm going to show you how attackers create malicious backlinks from link farms, and to make it even more difficult for the website owners to find them, they redirect the sources to another website. Okay, so the image on the screen is screenshot from SEMrush. Um, Starting right from the top, we can see that SEMrush found one backlink that was created 8 days ago. Below that, we can see the date, and right below that, we can see the backlink that was found on that day. Now, it says domain report and then there's a URL. Now, domain report is the title of the page from where that backlink was created. And that backlink is again, that URL itself looks pretty vague. It appears to be coming from a domain called bye.fyi followed by whatever, right? So that URL or that backlink was not created by us. This was created by the attackers, and that's connected to our domain tekzilver.com, right? So this is how you find the backlinks using SEMrush, and it keeps showing up the backlinks that were created on a day-to-day basis. You can also check using Google Search Console in the link section, but Google Search Console only shows a small fraction of all the backlinks that were created. It doesn't show all of them. So it's always better to use a tool like SEMrush or Ahrefs, and probably others like that. But the problem with these kind of applications is they're not free, and going in for a monthly subscription can be pretty expensive. But SEMrush offers a small number of searches for free, about maybe 5 or 6, I guess, in a day. I think for small websites that should be good enough. So let me show you what these links look like, and how they redirect it to other websites. Just a moment. Now these are some of the backlinks that we caught using SEMrush. Um, Let me show you the very first one. If you look at the very first URL, you can see that the domain itself is called allagedomains.com. Um, and then it's followed by some vague bunch of text. Now, Google does not like people buying aged or expired domains, and this is where the attackers start. So they name the website itself, they name the link farm itself using a term that is hated by Google, right? And then they create the link farm based on that. Now let's open this URL and take a quick look. So I've copied that, and let me open a sandbox. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to open the URL. All right, so this is what it opened up, and if you see, the entire website is just made up of just links that go out to different websites, and this is what a link farm looks like. And Google hates these kind of link farms. Not just Google. Most of the search engines don't like these kind of link farms, and that's why attackers use them to run their negative SEO attacks. So let me show you something. I'm going to search for our website, Tekzilver, and there you go. So this is one of the components of a negative SEO attack, where people um, build backlinks from uh, bad sources, such as a link farm or a private blogging network, also known as PBN. Right now, I want to show you another thing where these link farms, where the attackers create link farms, but they redirect traffic to it. Okay, just to make it more difficult to be caught. Now, give me one moment. Now, there's these are the URLs, and let's take a look at the second one. Okay, now second one is named Australian Web Directory.pro, followed by a bunch of text, whatever. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in the address bar. Now watch. Right? So the initial URL that was called Australian Web Directory.pro now redirected to this website called backlinks.cyon. And then you have a bunch of tabs where it says add a link, remove a link, and all that. And if you scroll down, you see there are a number of links, just like the one we saw earlier. So uh, let's say if somebody is monitoring the backlinks on SEMrush, and if you don't open each of the backlinks and check them individually, then you will not even know that these backlinks are redirecting to another website, and you will not be able to take corrective actions. Right. So the point I'm making here is it's important to monitor those backlinks. And when you see a backlink or when you catch backlink uh, on SEMrush or any other tool for that matter, it's important to verify where it leads to so that you can uh, do whatever you have to do at that point of time, right? So I'm not going to talk about the corrective measures or preventive measures we can take in this video. I'll make a separate one for that. But I hope this has given you an idea about how negative SEO attackers create malicious backlinks from link farms.